In this tutorial, I'll show you several easy ways to open the Settings app on any Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, including a quick keyboard shortcut. Method 1. Open Settings from the Start menu. The most common way is through the Start menu. Simply click the Start button on your taskbar, then select Settings, the gear-shaped icon. Method 2. Use the Start menu right-click menu. Another quick method is to right-click the Start button and choose Settings from the menu that appears. Method 3. Search for Settings. You can also open the search box from the taskbar and type Settings. When the Settings app appears in the search results, click it to open. Method 4. Keyboard shortcut. The fastest method is using a keyboard shortcut. Press and hold the Windows key, then press I on your keyboard. The Settings app will open instantly. And that's it. Those are the easiest ways to open Settings in Windows 11 and Windows 10. If this guide helped you, be sure to check out more Windows tutorials for additional tips and troubleshooting guides.